Do you like buying shoes?
Well, I am literally very much into buying shoes than clothes, because I believe that shoes gives very much good personality effect to your whenever you are dressed up or whenever you are going out. I think they are it counts a very good factor. So yeah,
Okay,
to answer
very
your
good,
questions.
very good. So you said shoes give.
Give.
Okay, and overall it is good. Just be confident and answer in an organized way. It's very good. You started very well. Yeah, let's go on.
Have you ever bought shoes online?
No, my mother. First of all, my mother doesn't allow me to buy shoes online because of the size issues and all that stuff. So no. To answer your question, I
Okay,
haven't.
this is rather a short answer. So you just give some more reasons. Okay, yeah, let's go on.
Which do you prefer, fashionable shoes or comfortable shoes?
Comfortable shoes, definitely, because I'm a student and I'm university going student, so I have to walk a lot and I have to run a lot for classes whenever I'm late. So I prefer, to answer your question, I definitely prefer.
Okay, do you have to run for
comfortable
the
shoes.
classes or run away from the
Whenever,
classes?
whenever I'm late, so I have
Run for class or run away from the class? All right,
run for
one
the
more
class.
question.
How much do you usually spend on shoes?
That I have already told you that I'm very much in buying shoes. So I spent a lot of my pocket money on shoes, and because I like them.
Okay, this good. Overall answers are fine. Just try to patronize your answer.
Yes,
There
sir.
should be one sentence conclusion at the end, and try to speak more confidently. Add some variety of ideas so that you've got a variety of words and sentence structure. Overall, your language is good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.